अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इनसाइट्स। इंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी के लिए हिस्ट्री के चंद इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ईस्ट तैमूर वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ विच कंट्री? इंडोनेशिया इज़ द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ Babylon was an old city in. The right answer is Mesopotamia. Next question is, in the War of 1812 between 13 US states and Great Britain, Britain set fire to the White House in. Answer is August 1814. Next question is, Napoleon Bonaparte was a military and political leader of. France is the right answer. Question number 5. The 100 Years' War was a series of armed conflicts between the kingdoms of. Answer is England and France. Next question is, World War I was lasted from dash to dash. Answer is 1914 to 1918. Question number 7. World War II was lasted from dash to dash. Answer is 1939 to 1945. Question number 8. Which civilization is the oldest in the world? Answer is Mesopotamian civilization. Next question is, which of the following kings laid the foundation of Assyrian Empire? And the answer is Tiglath-Pileser III. Next is, the Zhou dynasty ruled China during which of the following period? Answer is 256 to 1046 BC. Which of the following society was divided into two segments, patrician or the upper class and plebeian or the poor commoners? Answer is Greek society. Next question is, Mona Lisa was painted by which of the following? And the right answer is Da Vinci. Question number 13. Which of the following figure of the Renaissance is most associated with the humanist movement? The right answer is Petrarch. Question number 14. Who came to be known as the age of iron and coal? Answer is Industrial Revolution. Next question is, which of the following advocated the government based on social contract? The right answer is Rousseau. Question number 16. Treaty of Westphalia was passed in which of the following year? The right answer is 1648. Next question is, the rise of Italy and Germany as nation states came in which year? Answer is 1871. The next question is, who became the Emperor of Germany in 1871? Answer is Kaiser William of Prussia. Next is, which of the following was the longest battle in the First World War? Answer is Battle of Verdun. Next question is, which of the following countries were involved in World War II? All of the above countries were involved in World War II. Next question is, which of the following won the First World War? Answer is Allied Powers. Next question is, which of the following slogan was shouted during the February Revolution? The right answer is bread and peace. Question number 23. Life, liberty and dash. The correct word is. Answer is pursuit of happiness. Next is, With respect to French Revolution, the third estate's Chambers of States General is known as. The answer is National Assembly. Next is, what was the darkest period of the French Revolution called? Answer is a region of terror. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.